Clothing store.
Excuse me, do you have this jacket in a smaller size? This one seems a bit large on me.
Of course. What size are you looking for?
I think I'm a small, but I'm not totally sure. Could I try both a small and a medium?
Absolutely. The fitting rooms are right at the back. I'll grab both sizes for you.
Thank you so much. And do you have this in any other colors? I like the style, but I'm not sold on the beige.
We have it in black, navy, and olive green. The black one is actually really popular right now.
Oh, nice. Could you bring the small in black as well?
Sure, give me just a second.
Okay, I think the small in black fits perfectly. I'll take this one.
Great choice. Will that be cash or card today?
Card, please.
Sure. And just so you know, we offer free exchanges within 14 days as long as the tags are still on.
Oh, that's really good to know. What about refunds?
Refunds are available within 7 days of purchase with the original receipt.
Perfect. That's really reassuring. Thank you.
Enjoy your new jacket. Have a great day.
You too, thanks.
Electronics store.
Hi there. I'm looking for a new laptop, but I honestly have no idea where to start. Could you help me out?
Of course. Happy to help. What will you mainly be using it for?
Mostly work emails, documents, video calls. Nothing too heavy. But I do edit photos occasionally.
Okay, so you need something with decent processing power and a good display. But you don't necessarily need a top-of-the-line gaming machine.
Exactly. And battery life is really important to me. I travel a lot and I can't always find a plug.
In that case, I'd point you toward these two models. This one here has up to 12 hours of battery life and it's very lightweight, great for traveling. This other one has slightly shorter battery life but a much sharper screen, which makes a real difference for photo editing.
How much is the difference in price?
The first one is around $950 and the second is $1,120.
That's not a huge gap, actually. Does the more expensive one come with any software included?
It comes with a basic photo editing suite pre-installed, which is actually worth about $80 on its own.
Oh, that's good value then. What's the warranty like on both?
Both come with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. We also offer an extended 2-year protection plan for an additional $99, which covers accidental damage as well.
That's worth thinking about. Can I return it if I change my mind?
You have 30 days to return it in original condition, unopened. Once it's opened, we can offer an exchange or store credit.
Okay, I think I'll go with the second one. And I'll add the protection plan, better safe than sorry.
Smart choice. Let me get that packed up for you. Will you be paying in full today, or would you like to look at our installment options?
What are the installment options?
You can split it into 12 monthly payments with 0 interest if you have our store card.
I don't have one, but that sounds useful. How long does it take to apply?
Just about 5 minutes right here. Want to give it a go?
Sure, why not?
Pharmacy.
Hi, I was hoping you could help me. I've had a really sore throat for the past couple of days, and I'm not sure what to take.
I'm sorry to hear that. Is it just a sore throat, or do you have any other symptoms like a fever, runny nose, or cough?
A little bit of a runny nose too, but no fever. I just feel kind of run down overall.
It sounds like it could be the beginning of a cold. For the sore throat, I'd recommend these lozenges. They have a numbing effect that works pretty quickly. And this one here is a general cold relief tablet that covers the runny nose as well.
Are they okay to take together?
Yes, they're fine to take at the same time. The lozenges are just for local relief and the tablets work systemically.
Got it. How often should I take the tablets?
2 tablets every 6 hours, but no more than 8 in a 24-hour period. Make sure to take them with food or water.
Okay. What about the lozenges?
You can take 1 every 2 to 3 hours as needed. Just let it dissolve slowly in your mouth, don't chew it.
That makes sense. Is there anything I should avoid while taking these?
Avoid alcohol while taking the tablets as it can make the drowsiness worse. Some people find they make you a little sleepy, so just keep that in mind if you're driving.
I didn't know that. Good to know. Is there anything else I can do to help with recovery?
Stay well hydrated, get plenty of rest, and warm drinks like honey and lemon can really help soothe the throat naturally too.
Okay, I'll take both of these. Do I need a prescription for anything stronger if it gets worse?
If your symptoms get worse or don't improve in about 5 days, I'd suggest seeing a doctor. They may prescribe antibiotics if it turns out to be bacterial.
All right, thank you so much. You've been really helpful.
Feel better soon. Take care of yourself.
Street vendor.
Fresh strawberries, tomatoes, homemade jam. Come take a look.
Hi, these strawberries look amazing. How much are they?
$4 a punnet, or 3 punnets for $10.
Oh, nice deal. Are they local?
They are picked fresh this morning from my farm just outside of town.
Wow, you can really tell. They smell incredible. I'll take 3 punnets then. And what about these tomatoes? Are these heirloom?
Yes, mixed heirloom. Great for salads or roasting. $2.50 for a bag, or 2 bags for $4.
I'll take 2 bags. What's in the jam? I see strawberry, but what are the other ones?
That one's strawberry and vanilla. This one's fig and honey, and the dark one is mixed berry. All homemade, no preservatives.
Oh, the fig and honey sounds incredible. How much?
$6 a jar, or 2 for $10.
I'll take 2 the fig and honey and the mixed berry. Can I try a little of the mixed berry before I commit?
Of course, here you go.
Oh, wow, that's really good. Definitely taking that one. So that's 3 punnets of strawberries, 2 bags of tomatoes, and 2 jars of jam. What does that come to?
That's 10 plus 4 plus 10, so $24 in total.
Would you take 22? I'm a little low on cash today.
Sure, 22 it is. Come back and see me next week.
I absolutely will. Thank you so much. Everything looks wonderful.
Thank you. Enjoy your weekend.
Online shopping.
Did your order arrive okay?
Actually, that's why I'm reaching out. I placed an order 5 days ago, and the tracking hasn't updated in 3 days. It just says in transit.
I'm sorry about that. Let me pull up your order. Can I get your order number?
Sure, it's HX449021.
Got it. Okay, I can see there was a delay at the sorting facility, which is why the tracking hasn't moved. It looks like it should be delivered within the next 2 business days.
Okay. And what if it doesn't arrive by then?
If it doesn't arrive within 2 business days, we'll either reship the order at no cost or issue you a full refund, whichever you prefer.
That's good to know. Also, I actually wanted to ask about returns. I ordered 2 items, and I think one of them might not be the right fit. Can I return just one item from the order?
Absolutely. You can return individual items. Just initiate the return through your account page, and we'll send you a prepaid return label by email.
That's easy. Is there a return window I need to worry about?
You have 30 days from the delivery date to initiate a return. The item just needs to be unused and in its original packaging.
Perfect. And how long does the refund take once you receive it back?
Once we receive the item, the refund is processed within 3 to 5 business days back to your original payment method.
Great. One last thing, I have a discount code that I forgot to apply at checkout. Is there any way to add it after the fact?
Unfortunately, we're not able to apply codes retroactively once the order is placed. However, your code is still valid and you can use it on your next order.
That's a shame. But okay, I'll use it next time. Thanks for all your help.
Of course. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No. That covers everything. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Grocery store.
Excuse me, I'm looking for the pasta aisle. Could you point me in the right direction?
Sure. Pasta is in aisle 5, right next to the sauces and canned goods.
Oh, perfect, thank you. Also, do you know if you carry oat milk? I couldn't find it in the dairy section.
Oat milk and other plant-based milks are actually in aisle 3, not with the regular dairy. We keep them in the health food section.
That makes sense. I would never have found that on my own.
Happens all the time, don't worry.
Checkout counter.
Did you find everything okay today?
Mostly, though I couldn't find any fresh basil. Is it out of stock?
Fresh herbs are actually near the entrance, by the flowers and plants. We might still have some left.
Oh no, I already did my whole round. I'll just grab dried basil then. Does this store have a loyalty card?
Yes, we do. It's free to sign up and you get points on every purchase. You can do it quickly on your phone if you want.
Sure, I'll sign up now. And is this yogurt on sale? The tag looked a little confusing.
Let me check. Yes, that one is buy two, get one free this week.
Oh great, I'll grab 2 more then. Sorry, one more question. Do you have bags, or should I have brought my own?
We do sell reusable bags at the register for 50 cents each, or paper bags for 10 cents.
I'll take a reusable one, thanks. I really need to remember to bring my own next time.
No worries at all. Your total comes to $32.40. How would you like to pay?
Contactless, please.
Perfect. All done. Have a lovely day.
Thanks, you too.